family, y'all. It's your boy Dominoes 7. I would like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show live outside in the rain. Okay. Yep, and it's storming like cats and dogs, but there's no cats or no dogs. You see? My first time filming around here in the rain, you know. Well, my second time, you know. Okay. Number film in the rain. Look at all this, you see? Whoa. Lightning just came out. Okay, I'm gonna stop this tape and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, welcome back, okay? On this rainy day, you see? There go the train right there. Yeah, this is a great scoop right here. Alright y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show. Alright, live location at my crib outside in the rain, you see? Nothing but a scoop here, you see? Kind of flooded around here, you know? Probably flooded out there somewhere, you see? Out here somewhere. My girlfriend probably called for me already. And I'm outside filming, you see? Yep. As long as I don't accidentally drop my camera though. Okay, y'all see the cloudy skies? Scattered showers and thunderstorms, you see? Yep. I could have filmed on Jefferson Terrace, you know. Yep, this is going down in history right here, you know. I don't know what's down there though. Like I saw a car coming or something. Alright, thank God nobody's outside, you know, cause I don't want nobody on my show right now, you know. Oh! Lightning had just struck, you know. My girl was supposed to come over today, but, well, she have a car, honestly, but ain't no need for her to come over in this bad weather, you know. Whoa. You know. Okay, I'll be right back after these messages. Alright y'all, welcome back. You know, too much water in this parking lot, you see. You know, look like the rain is slacking up a little bit, you know. I guess we could tell by the water's not shooting fast out of this water spout or whatever you call this thing, shingle or whatever, you know. Alright, so I guess that ends my tale on this rainy day here. Alright, so your boy Dominoes 7, thank y'all for watching. Well, that's all I can say. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, peace out.